Alright, you guys, welcome back. I got the last and final truck for this mix. This is Tuck and Roll, the new look, 2026 new look, guys. Here it is. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Crush Cart. Here's the back. Name Tuck and Roll, Truck Type City, Strain Street King, Crash Attack, Triple Takedown. So, this case, I'm completely done with it. So, on to the next one, guys. Here we go. Front of the box. 2026 new look, like I said. This one got released a few times, so. I call it like double plastic because of the casting. It's like a motocross casting because I've had this one before, so it's nothing new. Here it is, 26 Tuck and Roll, guys. Pretty cool. I love the steering. Does it steer in the front? No, this one does not steer. There's a front of the windshield, like a light green with headlight printing, and it's actually a Try to Crush Me casting because look, you can see the handlebars right there. Yeah, it's the Try to Crush Me casting. Just the only difference. Tuck and Roll, guys. Blue, pink, and yellow. I love the color scheme. Dark blue bumper. Metal chassis with a chain, like a motorcycle. And this has a screw in it. It's a triangle screw. And Hot Wheels on the tires. Lime green rims and beadlocks. Black tire holders, I guess. Alright, guys, I got one more to go. Peace out.